You shine a light.
It's okay.
You shine. So on this big day that we've waited more than 4 years for, here's what I promise to you. I promise you a love that grows deeper every day. I promise to prioritize kindness to you and to the world. I promise to give you my shoulder when you need support and my ear when you need to talk. I promise you a life full of adventure around the world and in our backyard. I promise to love you, encourage you, trust you, and respect you. I promise to work by your side to build a home full of laughter, learning, and deep love. And finally, I promise to not just grow old together, but to continuously grow together. I choose you as my partner for the rest of my life. I love you.
I love you more than anything in the world. Which is why I properly proposed 5 years later. Very action-oriented. I promise to always be by your side, listen, and be your partner in crime on this wonderful journey called life. I promise to always introduce you to strangers when we're out in public together. That cool guy Victor I met at Costco yesterday at the photo aisle, he's actually here with his wife and 5 kids. We'll catch up later. I promise to always be thoughtful, open, and honest, and be your rock. Which now I should let you know that I've traded your car in for a second orange Mini Cooper. Will have to be available next Wednesday. I couldn't imagine life without you, really. I mean, the meticulously planned out daily schedules for one, and of course all the kale. I promise to stop throwing all of your things away when you're out of town, regardless of how much they conflict with or offend my aesthetic. You are by far the most wonderful human being I've ever met. Also the most practical. I'm honestly shocked that you haven't traded me in for all of my inefficiencies. I want to travel the world and see everything, but with you by my side. No amount of coffee, no amount of wine, no amount of whiskey. Only you.
Not yet. Please place the ring on Emily's finger.
Stud.
There we go. All right, you may kiss the bride.
On the 4th of July, without a cloud in the sky, with the waves crashing on the coast.